Ever wondered how it feels to walk the bustling streets of Tokyo or to gaze upon the northern lights in Iceland? Imagine the thrill of exploring a completely new environment, the excitement of immersing yourself in a culture so different from your own. Picture the joy of sampling exotic cuisines, the awe of witnessing breathtaking landscapes. It's a world full of wonders and mysteries, and all it takes is a spark of curiosity to set off on this adventure. Travel is not just about places, it's about the stories we collect along the way. Picture this. You're standing on the edge of the Grand Canyon, feeling the wind whip your hair as you marvel at the vast expanse before you. It's a moment of pure awe, your heart pounding in your chest as you gaze at the rugged beauty of nature. This is the magic of travel, a moment of connection with the world around you that transcends the everyday. Now let's rewind a bit. It's a cool morning, the sky painted with the soft hues of a sunrise as you embark on a road trip. Miles of open road stretch out before you, the anticipation building with each passing mile. You see the change in landscape. You feel the shift in the air, the grandeur of the Grand Canyon gradually revealing itself, leaving you speechless. This is the power of travel. It's a roller coaster of emotions, a journey of discovery, a transformative experience. And just when you thought you've seen it all, there's always another corner of the world waiting to be discovered. From the majestic peaks of the Himalayas to the vibrant markets of Marrakesh, there's a world of experiences out there waiting for you. Imagine the thrill of standing atop Mount Everest, feeling on top of the world, literally. Imagine the enchantment of wandering through the narrow, winding streets of Marrakesh, your senses overwhelmed by the vibrant colors, exotic scents, and the bustling sounds of the marketplace. Think about the mysteries waiting to be discovered in the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu or the enchanting allure of the northern lights dancing across the night sky in Iceland. Consider the exhilarating rush of a safari adventure in the heart of Africa or the tranquil serenity of a sunset over the temples of Angkor Wat. Every corner of the globe holds a unique story, a new adventure, a different perspective. The possibilities are as endless as the horizon itself. So are you ready to make the world your playground? Travel is an adventure, a storybook with pages yet to be written. It's a tale spun from the threads of exploration, discovery, and the thrill of the unknown. It's about immersing yourself in diverse cultures, savoring unique flavors, and collecting experiences instead of things. It's about the stories we create, the memories we make, and the footprints we leave behind. Join us on this journey as we explore the world, one adventure at a time. Welcome to Global Travel Venture.